Okay, guys, going to give you another bit of instruction for e-learning, and this time how to check on attendance. So I will be taking attendance and looking at how often you guys get on, if you do get on, and if you access the U.S. history. This should only take you guys tops 30 seconds, maybe a minute. Um, I have some tools which I can't show you because it shows everybody, but it shows me when you last logged into Schoology and when you last logged into my course. There are some of you who have not logged in since February, which is a little concerning. But I'm going to show you what's going to happen. So on Monday, when you access the course, there is going to be a yellow folder right here underneath your Unit 7 folder called Daily Attendance Questions. This folder will be active right now. I have it turned off. Um, when you go ahead and click on these, you're going to see a bunch of quizzes. On Monday, you're only going to see one, the one that says Monday. On Tuesday, you're going to see both Mondays and Tuesday. I'm not going to put them all up there so you guys can't all check in and do them all at the same time. But what would happen is on Monday you would come in here, you would click on this quiz. Now it's kind of weird. Why am I doing a quiz? Well, it's the easiest way. Um, and so the question here is, what kind of house does SpongeBob live in? Well, the only answers you can possibly pick is a pineapple. We'll go ahead and make it under the sea. So notice there are no other options. You cannot miss this. Just click on the only option. Um, that's it. And that's how these questions are going to go. They're going to be some kind of pop culture meme reference, kind of for giggles. You cannot get these wrong. There is one question on there that gives you six possible answers. I have marked them all as the correct answer. So I'm more curious as what you guys think um, the right answer is on that one. Uh, so attendance, it's very important. Please make sure you are doing this. We'll go ahead and cancel here. Go back here to the class. But this will be popping up and you'll need to do this. So please make sure you do. I will have additional questions on there for the week after. So April 6th through the 10th. Um, it's easy peasy, no problem. And don't forget, make sure you watch your instructions for e-learning. Um, and if you have questions, there will be a link up here at the top for the Zoom meetings. Thanks, guys.